What's up guys, Cuber here. Today we got this Xing Xiang 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and today we're gonna unbox this thing. So guys, let's get started. So guys, we got the box here. The box is pretty nice. We got a little bit cube here, and we got a triangle or square, we can see. And I didn't order the streakerless because it's too weak. It breaks easily and it can be twisted easily, so I'll take this out. So guys, here's a 2x2. Like the 3x3, it doesn't have center pieces because it's even. Like there are 4 pieces, so they can't be on center. So let's do the first ones. It's good, but not that much. The cutting is not good. The cutting is not good of this cube. But still I like it. It's good quality. But still the cutting is not good. If you check it, the cutting is not good. But it's smooth. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like and subscribe this channel. Bye.